How to log in or sign in to Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded this Facebook app. If not, head over to your Play Store and search for Facebook. Now this is the application that you should have in your device. Once you download the app, open it, and it will show you this interface. In here, simply type in your phone number or email address and type in your password at the box below. Once you have done that, tap on to login, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get signed in to your Facebook account. In case you are having difficulty signing in, tap on forgotten password and get help resetting your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.